What happens when an Alaskan has a once-in-a-generation snowstorm in Ohio? So the first test to see if this is a bad storm is to open the door. And yes, I can open the door. I'm now walking on my sidewalk, and there is nothing stopping me. I mean, look right there. That right there. I think maybe a squirrel could get buried in that snowdrift. I hate to say it, guys, but this once-in-a-generation storm left grass still visible. It's kind of an average Friday, you know, and anything north of anything. Pull out my driveway real quick. Let's see how long this is gonna take me. Yeah, I think I'm good to go. I think I can drive now.